In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline view in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project where you want to add the timeline view. This is the project that you'll be working with to visualize your tasks over time. Now that you're in your project, take a moment to look at the top bar of the project interface. Here, you should see the different view tabs available to you. This is where you can switch between the various ways of viewing your project data, such as list view, board view, and more. Next, focus your attention on the last tab in the view list. You should see a small plus icon located right next to it. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. What happens is pretty neat. It reveals a variety of new project view options for you to choose from. Among these options, you'll want to look for the timeline view. Once you find it, select the timeline option to create your new visual project tab. This will open up the timeline view, allowing you to see your tasks laid out along a timeline. It's an intuitive way to track deadlines and project flow. Now let's verify that everything is working as expected. The first thing to check is whether all your tasks and deadlines automatically populate the new interactive timeline display. This should happen seamlessly as Asana organizes the tasks you've already set up into the timeline you just created. Now that you can see everything laid out, let's say you notice that one of your tasks needs to be rescheduled. The great thing about the timeline view is that you can adjust task dates directly within it. Just click and drag the task to a different spot on the timeline or adjust the date as needed. These changes will automatically sync across all of the other project views you have, which means you're keeping everything in one cohesive place. That's the gist of adding a timeline view in Asana. It's a straightforward process that can give you a greater understanding of your project's schedule and deadlines. After completing these steps, take a moment to check your result and make sure everything looks crisp and organized. And there you have it. By using the timeline view, managing your projects becomes a lot simpler and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful and you think others might benefit from it as well, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing in Asana.